Hello my friends, welcome. Today I'm going to do a cassava oil down, for I love cassava, so it's a must that I do a cassava oil down, baby. So I have my cassava here ready, peeled, washed and cut up into small pieces here, right? Nice small size pieces like this, right? I have some pimentos at the side here. I have some garlic sliced up here in the corner here, and I have some carrot. I have some small leaf thyme and some parsley finely chopped. We will need some coconut milk, and I'll be adding some onion as I go along, and of course we'll have to season with whatever seasoning, salt and black pepper and stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'll let the cassava simmer a little bit for like about 10 minutes, and then I'll add the other ingredients. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I added a little bit of water with the cassava. Cover the pot. Allow this to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll add the other ingredients. Okay, so here's my cassava coming along nicely. I'm going to go ahead and add the other ingredients. I'm going to put some liquid in there because it's drying down very quickly. So I'm adding some coconut milk. I have the garlic, seasoning peppers. This is the parsley and some thyme. I have some carrots. I have some onion that I slice up here. I'm going to add my seasoning. You could add whatever seasoning that you like, your favorite seasoning. Should do it. Okay folks, so here's my oil done. All done, looking super mighty delicious, right? If you have the opportunity to get your hands on some dashing leaves, you can add that to this dish, but I don't really have access to it, so I left it out. If I do get some, I'll do another recipe, maybe with the breadfruit or something, using the dashing leaves with this recipe. All right, yeah baby. Okay folks, so here's my cassava oil down, looking so scrumptious. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and of course let me know if you try this recipe. Leave a comment, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.